Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to stop your bird from biting your tiny birds. How about this yellow one right here? This yellow bird is already friends with that parrot. I don't know if you can see him, I think no. And we barely bought him. He does not know the green one, but we will make friends with the green one. I'll be right there to show you how he looks. He's on top of over there. He's kind of right there, but I'll be right back when they get him down. Alright, he's right there. I barely got him in the cage. It was super easy, right? Good boy. And he's gonna get trained. And then he's gonna be able to get in this cage. But first, we need to get him to get trained. First thing that you wanna do is you wanna carry around the cage with the big bird. And this pronounces that they're gonna be best friends after that. But you need a way. Let's put a spike camera right there. Wait, no. Yeah. See? Oh, sorry about that. Anyways, let's get started. So right there, we're gonna record what he's doing. He is trying to get out of the cage. He can't. And then this one, spike him. That's the spike him. Come on, boy. I'm sorry. Alright. So first, you need to put them together. So I'm gonna move this cage a little bit over there, and you're gonna, like, say, tell him respect. Like, look what I'm gonna do. Right, Poncho. Right. You're gonna be about to respect your new friend, okay, Poncho? You are. You're having a new friend too. You're having now 2 friends. Cause here he's best friends with this bird, right? Not that one. There's him right there. He's looking up, but he's not with this bird. That he is calmly, and here's him. And that's how you do it. And then thanks for watching, people. You leave him there for hours. And yeah, thank you for watching. And you're gonna leave him for hours and hours and feed both of them, like give them like the food when they need the food, and then they're back again. And then more later on, they're gonna be best friends. So thanks for watching, and that's how you do it. I think about adding some music too, so that's gonna kind of be weird. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.